Hello everyone, welcome to Review Radar. In this video I'll show you how to change your Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. So to change your Fortnite username, you'll need to change your Epic Games display name, as Fortnite usernames are tied to your Epic Games account. So here's how to do it. So firstly, number one, log in into your Epic Games account. Number two, access account settings. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner and select account from the drop down. Number three, change your display name. In the general settings section, you'll see your display name. Click on the pencil/edit icon next to your current display name and enter the new desired username and confirm it. After that, save the changes and then log back in with your new username and it will be applied to Fortnite. After that, you can just log back in. Your new username will be applied to Fortnite the next time you log in into the game on your Nintendo Switch. Also, a small note, Epic Games allows you to change your display name every 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.